This is Riley Davison, and you're listening to BRAVO ZULU RADIO. And we have a very special show for you today. Coming up, we're going to be hearing Mr. Gordon Hartman, and what a fantastic job that he has now stepped into. The role that he has assumed will be, there's no doubt to say, it will be a burden for him to carry. And so we need to make sure that we understand what he's doing, and we need to make sure that we are behind him. So this is an issuance from Nelson W. Wolff, a judge, County of Bexar, Texas, Bexar County, Texas, and Ron Nirenberg, the mayor of the city of San Antonio, Texas. It's dated March the 30th, 2020, to the City Council from Mayor Ron Nirenberg. Copies to Eric Walsh, City Manager, Tina Flores, City Clerk, Andy Segovia, City Attorney, and Kevin Barthold, the City Auditor. Subject, COVID-19 Community Action. Within the last few months, the COVID-19 global pandemic has caused a significant worldwide health and economic crisis. Here in San Antonio, we have taken aggressive action, working together to slow the spread of the virus, protect the health and safety of our residents, and mitigate the short and long-term impacts on the local economy. Businesses, charitable organizations, and residents are stepping up to lend a hand to the response efforts. And already, major federal legislation has been passed in an effort to fill some of the gaps, while state leaders are preparing to enter the 2021 legislative session with a unified agenda of restoring Texas families and the state's economy. To meet these significant challenges, we are appointing the COVID-19 Community Action Working Groups, which will act as strike teams focused on immediate areas of impact within our community. These working groups, composed of council members, county commissioners, and community leaders, are charged with identifying measures to mitigate the challenge, recommending measures for long-term recovery, and identifying local, state, federal resources to assist the community. These initial charges will evolve as the severity of the crisis and subsequent recovery efforts develop. Working groups will meet as often as needed and will be provided support by the city manager and county manager. The rosters for each committee are described in the attached document. We've named Gordon Hartman to coordinate and manage this process. He will provide hands-on leadership and work directly with working groups. We look forward to working together with each of you as we protect the lives of San Antonio families and overcome the greatest challenge that our modern city has ever faced. Signed by County Judge Nelson Wolff and Mayor Ron Nirenberg. And these are the COVID-19 Community Action Working Groups. Federal and State Government Advocacy, Co-Chair, Council Member Manny Palais, District 8, Co-Chair Commissioner Kevin Wolff, Precinct 3, Council Member Rebecca Villagran, District 3, Council Member Dr. Adriana Rocha Garcia, District 4, Council Member Clayton Perry, District 10, Brigadier General Laura Lenderman, JBSA, Joint Base San Antonio, Linda Chavez Thompson, Labor, Wayne Peacock, USAA, Joe Gorder, Valero Energy, and Mayor Mary Dennis from Live Oak. The Philanthropy Action Working Group, Co-Chair Harvey Najim, the Najim Charitable Foundation, Co-Chair Barbara Gentry, retired from USAA, Margie French, San Antonio Area Foundation, Blakely Fernandez from Bracewell, Tony Van Buren, University Health System, Chris Martin, United Way, David Green, Mays Family Foundation, Harriet Dominique, USAA, Mary Rose Brown from New Star Energy. From the Food Security and Shelter, Co-Chair Councilman Jada Andrew Sullivan, District 2, Co-Chair Commissioner Justin Rodriguez, Precinct 2, Council Member Melissa Cabela Havdra, District 6, Eric Cooper, San Antonio Food Bank, Kenny Wilson, Haven for Hope. The Business and Employment Action Working Group, Co-Chair Council Member Ana Sandoval, District 7, Co-Chair Commissioner Chico Rodriguez, Precinct 1, Council Member Shirley Gonzalez, District 5, Michelle Tremillo, Texas Organizing Project, and Lisa Wong, Restaurateur. Social Services, Co-Chair Council Member Roberto Trevino, District 1, Co-Chair Commissioner Tommy Calvert, Precinct 4, Councilman John Courage, District 9, Toulouse Wells, Kronkowski Charitable Foundation, and Shah Guzman, Saha Board Chair. To each of these people, we wish them success and courage to carry out their duties. Stay tuned for more.